Good evening. This is Los Angeles.
And you are now listening to Activate LA Radio.
So we got Mandy, Marvelous Mandy,
Hey, Sofia la tortilla.
and then
Big Mario.
Oh, we got little Mario.
Yeah.
And we got big Mario. We got chorizo. So, yep. Well, we got a lot of people, man, in the chat right now. They're so happy. They're really, really happy to have an update and just have you guys on the camera. So they're really excited. You know, I want to thank you guys once again for giving me the opportunity to have you guys on the show, interview you guys, and I want to start it off with a little bit. If you guys would like to give us an update, a little bit. What's going on? Is she doing better? I've been giving little updates with the Instagram because people don't have Instagram, but the gang wants to hear it more from you guys. You know, they're like, "Come on, Ray, you got to get them on the show."
Okay, so just for Erika, she's getting stronger and she started doing physical therapy.
And right now, she was able to stand.
Yeah, for the first time, she was able to stand.
Wow.
Yeah, we took a picture. Huh?
Yeah, I took a picture.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. Look.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. That is a miracle,
yeah, for the first
man.
time, she was able.
Yeah, and she's much more happier now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because at the beginning, she was like really sad because she was on the hospital on her birthday and then Christmas,
Thanksgiving.
And my brother's birthday.
Yeah, she's been through a
happy
lot.
birthday to yeah. I honestly, you know, as we've seen through the updates, the doctor said, you know, something, but she has proven everybody, the doctors, science, wrong. You know, she's, you know, guerrera. You know, she is a warrior. Also, too, I do want to give it up to you guys. I want to make sure I give it up to you guys because this is very intense and very difficult for you guys, but. Mario, little Mario, Sofia la tortilla, you know, Marvelous Mandy, you guys been just holding it down, and you guys been also too working the channel, and you guys, you know, mad love and mad respect, and I got to give it to you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Please keep strong.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have a question. I have like two questions from the people. Because I've been asking them what would they like to ask, and there was two questions, especially one that caught my attention, and people been somebody asked in the chat to ask you guys to ask Bert Martinez what was she like for the people to send her or you guys, what would you guys like for them to send you guys to the PO box, because you guys have a PO box, right? You guys might need, you know.
Yeah, we have.
Um,
Right now we're good. Right now we just need like prayers.
Yeah, we're good in the hood. All we need is prayers and stuff like that.
And then with Erika's insurance, they're only doing 2 physical therapies, huh?
Yeah, so my mom, she needs physical therapy every day to get better. And the insurance is only covering 2 days of physical therapy.
So we getting more therapy from our, what's they say?
Yes.
Our pocket.
Yeah, we have to pay out of pocket for physical therapy.
Okay.
So maybe you guys share the GoFundMe, that would help a lot.
Yeah, right now we just put it up. We put up the GoFundMe page. We pinned it. I'm trying to encourage, you know, and there's a lot of small YouTubers that we are trying to push, and we are going to continue doing this. And because you guys need the help. I mean, and also too, I've been watching you guys' videos, and I know you guys have been saying that some people judge. Do not, please, Mario, Sofia la tortilla, and Mandy and little Mario, keep doing what you guys are doing, man, because they're not, you know, if they're just gonna talk bad stuff, they're not important, you know, but the only way we're gonna get the word out is by making noise, and also too, I mean, I see you guys putting out the videos, and I want to keep doing this. Please don't stop, and don't pay attention to the haters, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's been hard because on my lunch break, that's when I go ship the orders from the website.
And then I had like a bunch of homework in the school. So it's been hard to keep track of everything.
And then there's a lot of people that they've been helping us a lot, like Jasmine Mancera.
Yasmin, I think she's my TSC. She's super helpful. Like a lot of our family members, friends, supporters have been like helping a lot.
Yeah, like Jasmine, she's been helping me a lot with the paperwork because I'm not that smart.
Yeah.
And then Katie Porta from Birdie's Nest, she's also helping us a lot. There's more people, but yeah, I'm just lucky that a lot of people been helping us a lot. And then you too.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Yeah. Later on, if you guys have the chance to send me on Instagram,
Can you
like
do this again?
yeah, you go for it. Take your time. Meanwhile, I'll
Okay.
talk. Yeah.
Okay, I got a surprise.
Oh wow.
Let me.
Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. Huh? Wait.
Yeah. Take your time.
So I don't know how to use the iPad. Okay. It's right now my wife Bird, she's like really happy that she was able to stand.
Wow. Oh wow.
I got
Hello.
Let me fix it. Hold on.
No, Pita, sorry.
Okay.
How are you?
No
Right here.
worries.
Where's his face?
Abby, what are you doing?
Showing my legs and shit.
I'm sorry, my dad.
So it's been helping us a lot.
How
Yo,
are you?
I am doing good, and I feel so happy to see you. You're chingona, you know what I mean? You are mujer, you're a warrior, and your fans right now in the chat are going wild. They're sending you hearts. Yeah, I know you can't see the chat, but right here, there's just hats having hearts. They're saying, "Love you, Bird. Hi, Bird. I'm so happy for you. We love you, Bird." I mean, oh my God. This is in the chat, okay? This is not me, but Lupita G Blog said, "Oh my God, one badass bitch." With all the respect, that was the chat.
One badass motherfucking bitch of the motherfucking world. For real, I got up and I still can't believe it. I haven't got up in months, and I'm like so blessed to be able to move because they told my husband that I wasn't never gonna move. So I'm here.
Yeah, man, you got Diosito on your side, you know. I mean, you got Diosito on your side, and you're a true warrior. A message that you would like to send to your fans right now. There's a lot of people going wild on the chat. I can't stress enough, and they love you.
I love them too. I just want to thank them. Thank you for the prayers. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna let that motherfucker win. The one that stabbed me, he's a bitch for like doing that to me. Period. And I never would have thought in a million years that would have happened to me. But it's just part of my life now that I have to go through. And I have all these freaking holes on me and machines, and it's annoying, but I'm gonna get through it. Like I get through everything. I've always been strong. So whatever, fucking.
No,
I'll be
yeah.
okay.
No, pero I mean, to be honest, I see you right now, and you are so much better. I'm like, whoa, you know what I mean? So this is just the beginning, man. You know, de que te levantas. You know what I mean?
Sí, me levanté. I've been doing physical therapy, and I just push. And I push. I make all these faces. And the guy's like, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm fine." And then he told me push, but on the floor, and I pushed, and I got up, and my daughter's like, "I forgot how tall you were." And Mario was like, "Oh my God," like right next to me, and my kid saw me. My son, he saw me getting up, and I can't ask for more. I know it's like a novela. No
Yeah.
mames. Like my life is up and down and up and down. It's crazy. It was crazy, but we just gotta get through it. So thank you so much.
It's like a one
Mario
bird.
has been telling me.
Yeah, it's like the
What?
novela One Bird, One Camino.
One bird, one camino. I love that novela. Selena came out in it. That's why I love it.
Oh, yeah, no, it's, Tres Mujeres Un Camino. Yeah,
Tres mujeres. No, es
Yeah.
dos mujeres.
Dos mujeres. Oh, yeah,
Dos
yeah.
mujeres. Un camino. I love novelas, but not right now. They're stupid.
Yes,
I
yeah,
grew up watching novelas.
man. No,
That
you
make
know,
us more fun.
Yeah. So as soon as you are able to do your first video, what are you cooking? I would like to ask that question. That's another question that people ask me. What is Bird Martinez's
Um,
first cooking video going to be about?
so when everything happened, that night I took a picture. I had my cheese, I had my pasote, my masa. I was gonna make tamales,
Damn.
pero without meat. The rajas and freaking thing went to waste because I never made them. So I think I'm gonna make tamales or something bomb ass shit. I don't know.
Hey.
I love food. I love to cook, and I already told all these nurses, all the stupid ass ones, fuck them, but the good nurses, I'm
Yeah.
gonna cook for them. I really
Oh,
am.
sick.
I'm gonna cook for the nurses, and I'm gonna record it. Why? Because I'm gonna thank them all because it makes a big difference between a bad nurse, like they make you suffer, and a good nurse, they make you feel like safe, make you feel safe, like bitch, I'm not gonna die. And the bad nurse, you're like fuck, I might die today. So I'm gonna cook for the nurses. That's what I'm
Yeah.
gonna do.
So there's people asking in the chat. They're saying, please, Bird, keep a journal. Um, Bird, I know, we never met here, from us on our side, and I found out about what happened to you through my live stream, and I've been trying to cover. Um, man, I'm gonna put this out there, man. Whoever watches this video, make sure you guys help her out. Help her out. Let's make this GoFundMe page go all the way up for the people
Yeah.
that are out there in the business and the media. She's gonna come out with a dope ass documentary. Y'all better talk to her right now, man, right now, because once once she's out, you guys gonna be slipping on it. So make sure you guys help.
On. It's on. It's
See,
on, motherfuckers. Sí, como dices tú, my vida es una novela. I think out of these Netflix, man, if they got a fucking documentary, I could have one too. The fuck?
yeah,
Like my life is interesting, and
yeah,
it's a journey, and I'm writing down names, and I'm writing my stuff. I'm a storyteller. That's what I do. ¿Qué pasó? Oh, that's what I do. So like, I am gonna make. Can't wait to make all my videos and talk to my people. I love my people. I love my bird gang.
yeah. Bird Gang, they love you a lot, man. You should see the hearts right now.
Bird
I
gang, motherfucker.
Another person also too recommended me because I've been asking how can we help you. I tell the people, go to Bird Martinez's cooking channel. Let the videos play. Let the commercials play. If you guys cannot donate, share the GoFundMe page. Click on all the videos. Let the commercials play, and let them get that money. You know what I mean, through the AdSense. Somebody mentioned to me, said, Ray, if you can ask them to probably try to live stream a little bit more. I know, you're recovering, but I think
I will.
because a lot of people have been saying they want to donate through there too. So
I will. I didn't have a voice. My voice comes and goes because I get sick because of this thing, this stupid ass ventilator that I'm trying to get off. But because of COVID, the doctors can't see him. But like, I am gonna live stream more, my family,
yeah,
and I am gonna change facilities that's more like friendly. So hopefully, I will live stream more. My voice is back, bitches.
I know, man. Ya hablas
Oh,
un chingo.
motherfuckers.
Ya hablas un chingo. Ya no le den.
Ya, hablo bien.
Ya no le den.
Ya hablo bien. Me paro. I even eat. I eat now.
Oh, you do? Okay. So what do you do from the like? Let's say because a lot of people are shocked, including myself. I mean, you're talking, you're moving. You stood up. So let them know like how are you feeling now compared to let's say 3 weeks ago. You're doing much better, right? They want to make sure you're okay. So
Yeah. Yeah, I'm better now. I had pneumonia 3 times in a
oh
month.
wow,
I had I woke up when everything happened. I woke up. I couldn't move. This is all I did. I couldn't talk. I couldn't do a lot of shit. I'm surprised that I'm even moving because 2 weeks ago I was like toda like I didn't eat. I was skinny. I was like 95 pounds. Now I'm like 115 maybe. I'm eating. My husband, Mario every day. Every day he visits. Like, that's why I think I'm getting better because of him and the kids. If it wasn't for them, I'd probably. What, pinche Sancho? If it wasn't for them, I probably wouldn't be moving. ¿Cómo está? Bien, aquí yo de mamón.
Hey, dude, you talk so much que ya se la puedes mentar a alguien, you know what I mean? And that's good.
Chinguen su madre todos los pendejos que no me quieren.
Hey, let the people know. Tell them to go buy your chamoy, go buy your products. They need to hear from you because I want them. I've been telling them to go to your website, but please let them know that you still got your products.
Yeah, I still got my shit, my products. I got my chamoy, strawberry, tamarindo, and jamaica. ¿Cómo se dice? Hibiscus, tamarindo, and jamaica. Good. Strawberry. My daughter Mandy, she's the one that stepped it up.
Yeah.
My husband too. And he lost weight. I can't cook.
Yeah.
I haven't cooked. He goes in his lunch to the post office and to take all the products. And also, man, you put it down.
I'm sorry.
Making me look ugly.
I'm sorry.
No, and my hair stuff, we're still making it. And my maid, we're buying the maid. We have to find it in a secret place because they don't sell it anywhere.
Hey, seriously? Hey,
We
seriously?
got the plug. Yeah.
Los Angeles.
In Los
Oh,
Angeles.
Los Angeles.
And then although we've been active. Well, I'm here, but my family's been active because they want me to do this and they want to keep it going. They don't want to lose el negocio.
Yeah. Oh, they've been rocking it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, they've been rocking it. I mean, I don't know if you've seen the videos that they've been uploading. Your daughters, your kids, and then your husband. They're doing it. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know, Bert. Maybe regresas y ya no te dan el channel, you know?
Ya no, ya me quitaron el negocio.
Yeah.
They like it too much. They're like, look at me. I got 23,000 views in a day. Mamona.
I'm assuming.
That's what you said?
It's 27,000.
Oh, excuse me. Mommy, look, I got 27,000 views. I used to get 2 views. Me vale madre.
There's a lot of people that follow you and that I met through your channel that they have cooking channels. I mean, you're a true warrior. What advice would you give them? Because I mean, to be honest, I'm so inspired by you, your family, how strong you guys are. What advice would you give to women out there that are going through some stuff? Like just to give them a little bit more ganas, because you're badass.
To stay positive. You see other people, people compare their lives to other people. Like they go on YouTube like, oh no, this girl has so perfect. Nobody's perfect. All these bitches go through something. Their husbands are probably cheating on them. Some shit's going on. Everybody goes through something. Mario,
You didn't ask for
I don't want it. Everybody goes through something. Trust me, I see it every day. ¿Qué pasó?
I'm sorry, but my dad, he's like that.
But you have to stay positive. Como yo, mira cómo estoy. I'm like, I couldn't move. I was crying all the time. Until I stopped crying and said, fuck it, you know what? I'm gonna fucking do this. Chingue su madre. And as women, we're stronger and we know, people don't know how strong women are until you actually go through shit.
That is very true, man. Yeah, because we as men, we have a little cut and we start crying, We're like, pero yeah, woman,
Little
man.
bitches. Women have kids and shit. They go back to work and then they do a lot. Women were very strong.
And later on, you're going to talk about what happened, no?
Yeah, I want to talk about what happened. There's a lot of cheese, man.
Yeah.
Hell no.
There's
oh my gosh.
There's a lot of people out there, that they've been sending me messages and asking stuff and saying this. How come Ray? I'm like, dude, you know what? My main concern is to help the family. I'm not here to, because I don't know anything but what the family says. But that's not my concern. My concern is to help them. You know what I mean? And use this platform, put the word out there, and man, go donate. Hit that GoFundMe. Share that GoFundMe. Go get your products. You know what I mean? Get your mame. You know, get your T-shirts. Buy. El 14 de febrero, Valentine's Day is coming up. Get your girlfriend, your boyfriend, a mira que chulada, or get the chorizo T-shirt for them. You know, para que se miren
Mira,
chingones.
ya, mira qué chulada. Ahorita I don't have hair, pero just wait, que me quiten esta chingadera.
Just
I'm never gonna shut the fuck up.
physical therapy, no, también.
Yeah, I have speech therapy. Yeah, I have every fucking therapy.
Good.
Trauma therapy.
But thank you for your help, and thank you for, pushing our product, because that's what's helping us to get through this. I can't cook right now, so my husband he's like a single mom right now.
I'm a house cat.
He's like doing everything for the kids, so everything helps.
Give him a house cat. No?
Yeah,
Yeah. Hey,
back it up.
how did you?
Back.
I gotta ask you. I just ask you guys. How did you guys like really connect? Because you guys are so opposite. Es bien, se mira tu esposo with all the respect, bien penoso, and you're like really. Te vale, I don't want to cuss because your kids are there, pero.
Me vale madre. Yeah, well, so okay. So this is what happened. So I saw him, right?
Órale.
We went to high school. He went in in afternoons. I went mornings. So he walked in, and I was like, God damn.
Hey.
Clean shoes, nice haircut, everything
You had a
clean.
car también.
He had a car. No, I didn't see the
Ay,
car, but I saw him, and I told my friend,
Pinche Mario, chingón.
"Damn, who's that?"
Y luego I had the Manchester también.
Yeah,
Pinche,
I said, "Who's that?" He said, "It's a guy. He has a girlfriend." And I was like, "Damn, okay." And then he asked his friend, "Who's that?" "Who's me?" "Some hood rat." Okay. So that happened. Time passed. I kept going down to the bus stop, and he kept passing by up and down,
Yeah.
just staring at me. And then one time I was in the bus stop. A pinche chingadera. Says that I'm dying, but I'm not.
Don't worry, yeah.
Terry, shut the fuck up. So I was going to work. And he stopped in the car, and he's like, "You want to ride?" So
So,
"You want to ride to your house?" And I said, "Nah, I'm going home." So I went in. "No, I'm not going home. I'm going to work." So then I got in the car because I knew him from school. So I knew he wasn't gonna kill my ass. So then he had his flip phone.
¿Tenía flip phone? Órale.
Yeah.
El Razor?
Yeah, and I had a little. Yeah. ¿Cómo se llamaba tu phone?
Razor, ¿no?
No, chocolate, no?
No, it was a Razor, but it had a little flashlight.
Yeah. Hey, that's technology flashlights.
I was all excited. I was, oh
Órale.
shit! So then I just got his phone and I put my phone number in there. I was like, it's now or never. Fuck it, he has a girlfriend. He won't call me. And yeah, we went on a date
To Blockbuster.
to Blockbuster.
Hey, that's
Called me
OG.
first. Yeah, he took me to his house and he took advantage of me.
What's
Eso.
my Blockbuster too?
A mí se me hace que tú te aprovechaste de él.
Yeah,
A mí se me hace que tú te aprovechaste de
no,
él.
yo me aproveché de él. No, but you see him all shy, but he's not shy. He's like,
Oh,
you want to be my girlfriend?
eso.
Yes or no? I'm not gonna ask you again.
Ay, güey.
Yeah, valió más.
Sobres.
Yeah, I said, okay, fine. And then he's shy. I'm not shy. So it's perfect. It's perfect.
Yeah.
We're meant for each other.
Negative positive.
Yeah, we're meant for each other.
Hey, pero I gotta give props to for the young generations that don't know. Blockbuster, back in my days, si llevabas a una muchacha, you'll take a girl to Blockbuster. It wasn't cheap because those little M&Ms, that shit was expensive. They had the newest movies, so that was like, hey Mario, eso.
¿Cuánto costaba?
Y luego-
$10, ¿no?
Ah, no, pero no había food stamps.
Y luego, I
Los
had a
tokens nomás.
membership card. I was like, oh shit,
güey.
we got money.
You know food stamps.
It was so, we didn't even watch the movie.
Which movie was it?
I don't even know, but it was like
Yeah.
$10.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Hey,
God, it's expensive.
what's so ¿qué canción te dedicó Mario? What song did Mario dedicate to you? And what song did Bert has dedicated to you? There's always a song though. You guys got to have a song, right?
No, it was reggaeton. He's like a
Hey,
reggaeton lover.
la de
Baby,
a mí,
baby Rasta.
a mí me gustan los mayores.
You know,
Oye, verás, ya.
carnaval.
Oh
Carne,
damn.
carnaval. 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 Yeah, it was. He told me to stay with him forever. Like, he was driving me home and he told me, "You want to stay with me forever?" And I said, "No, I have to stay with my mom. The fuck? I'm like 18. The fuck are you talking about?" And then we were driving home and he's like, put the song up. Like, Carnaval, tararara, una noche más. And I was crying like, "Ah." And then we stopped in front of the house,
Oh god.
stupid machine. And I told him, okay, fine, I'll stay with you.
Eso.
And I turned around, y madres ya, me quedé con él. 15 years later, aquí estamos.
Yeah, man. Man, that's
And
I
I don't
love
know
it.
what song I dedicated to. Puro pinche Tupac.
Yeah.
Oh, Chalino Sanchez.
Oh.
Tengo la
Estamos enamorada,
enamorada.
nada de pensar. Okay, yeah, those are the.
Corazón.
Yeah. Damn, Mario. Damn, that's what's up. I gotta give it up to Mario, and you know, of course, Bert.
Yeah,
Everybody's
it's like
laughing, dude.
chorizo.
Everybody's on the chat right now. They're sending.
Yeah.
People are crying in the chat, you know, with little emojis. Um,
Yeah.
I don't want to take you guys' time because I know you know they're visiting too, and also too you need your rest.
Yeah.
So you know we'll keep on talking. Bert, if you want to say anything to your fans, I would love for you to take it away and talk to them a little bit, please. Nada más no lo regañes. O si
Yeah.
quieres, you know, fuck it.
No, no lo regaño. Gracias. Thank you for all the comments, the messages. Motherfuckers be dreaming about me. Like, Bird, I had a dream about you. That you were dancing again. Like, that to me means the world. Like, I'm nobody. But to you, to the people that fuck with me, I'm somebody. And I just want to thank you guys for thinking about me.
Even in the hospital, you saw fans. Huh?
And praying for me. In the hospital, being like, girl, saw you on TikTok. For praying for me, for just being there for me. I know sometimes I don't reply a lot. My hands, they're still not like freaking 50%, whatever, but I'm trying and I'm working. And I hope to come back better than ever. Yeah, yo nomás just want to be happy. And thank you to Birdie's Nest, my Facebook. Thank you to all the motherfuckers that fuck with me. I'll be back to watch.
Hey, that's right. That's right. Hey, thank you guys so much once again for giving me the chance. And I am going to keep on pushing. I'm going to keep on spreading the message and making sure that people are still donating, people are buying your products. And also, too, if it's okay with you, I'll keep on sharing your Instagram on the YouTube because a lot of people, you know, they don't have apps, you know, so just like me, I don't have TikTok.
Yeah.
You know, ya estoy viejo, so you know, but I share the Instagrams.
There's old ass people in TikTok.
Bajo rabo verdes.
Están ahí bailando, ahí moviendo el culo. Okay, TikTok is TikTok.
Mandy's gonna upload a new video tonight.
Yeah. Mandy's gonna upload a new video tonight. Ahí de mamona.
Q&A.
Thank you for Q&A. Oh, they're gonna upload a new video, the Q&A. Thank you for your help. I appreciate it so much.
Y luego Alfonso Birdfly.
Yeah,
Birdfly.
Alfonso was the one that told us.
Birdfly.
Birdfly. Thank you so much.
Yeah, he connected. Big shout out to him. Big shout out to all the YouTubers that have been helping. You know, please keep on pushing. You know, and let's get this word out. Bert Martinez, eres chingona. Keep on doing your thing and praying for you every night, along with everybody in the chat. You know, and I'm really, you got a beautiful family, and they are amazing, and man, they love you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Ya me voy a dormir.
Ya pues ya.
Ya, güey. Ya, güey.
Si vas a estar con el chorizo, hey, pero cuidado con el chorizo. You might need it for later.
Cuidado con chorizo. Ahí está el chorizo siempre. Always by my side.
Yes.
Pero luego que nos emociona, güey.
Hey.
No se gusta.
Gracias.
You guys have a
Dele, bye,
wonderful
gordo.
night. Mario, thank you so much, man.
Here, man.
Bye.
Young ladies, you guys have a good one. Mandy, Sophia, La Tortilla. I love you guys' new videos. Yeah, I know. Hey, little Mario, how you doing? Keep doing what you guys are doing. Forget about the haters. Keep pushing. And I keep on praying for you guys along with the whole fans and in the chat room. Mario, Sofia La Tortilla, Mandy, Little Mario, and also Tuber Martinez. We'll talk to you guys soon. Please stay safe and keep strong. We love you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have a good one.